ScudoCamper channel on YouTube.
We're here. We are in Perranporth, and it's down there somewhere. This is the campsite, and it's really muddy. Look, you see that? Look. You can't park next to your caravan. Well, they said you might be able to, but you'll probably get stuck. So I parked it up on the road over there. But there's the road. I'm parked just up that way a little bit. But that's Perranporth down there. If you can see through the rain and fog. So yes, but it is February, isn't it? And this is our caravan that we've rented for the week. Sorry about the noise. That's a gas heater down here. It's not very good. It's not very good heater. That's just my best. The heater in my camper is better than that one, but whatever. And the bedding's a little bit damp as well, because there's no heating in here. Well, they've had no heating, obviously because it's winter. So I've just taken the sheet off to air it a bit. But yes, obviously little kitchen, toilet and shower as well. So yeah, it's quite a nice little caravan, this. So yes, we are here, and we're here for a week. So we will see what unfolds. Hopefully the skies will clear and we can actually see the town soon. So let's wait and see. We're in Perranporth, which is where we're staying, but we've driven down the hill to the car park because there's lots of rain and lots of clouds. So at the moment it's sunny, so let's get off it. Oh, there we go. Shortcut through. Posh place. Ooh, posh. It is February, so there's nobody about. I think half the shops are surf shops. Doesn't seem to be much around. Everywhere's shut. Oh, there is one, look. Oh, there's a nice shop. What's this place? Holiday, self-catering. Oh, what's this part? Oh, that's where the old hotel used to be, isn't it?
And Chris is really good work.
There's the old hotel up there, mate. There used to be an old hotel over there. The locals didn't want it built on, but they knocked it all down and built something else. Built some luxury flats or something, looks like.
Here.
Nice little cafe, isn't it? Look at that rain coming in over there. Right, let's go and have a cuppa. What a view! What a view! Beautiful beach. Nice beach, isn't it?
Yeah. I found a cave.
What have you found then? Let's go and have a look. Oh wow! What's this? Smuggler's cave. What are they smuggling then? They smuggled anything? My God, it goes up miles. Go on, look at this. Can you see this all right? Oh, it goes in quite a way, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I hope you guys can see, because it's wow. I wouldn't want to be stuck in here at night, would you? So you've got a job to your eyes to adjust, don't you? You can't see very well. But look at that. Oh, funky. Oh, well found, mate. Well spotted. Yeah, wouldn't like to be stuck in here at night when the tide comes back in.
Nope.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah. It's cold, isn't it? This is the these are the steps at the other end of the beach. If you have a look down there. Oh, strange dog. Where are we going? James is up there. I forgot you then. Penhale Sands, or Penhale Dunes, is a complex of sand dunes and protected wildlife area. It is the most extensive system of sand dunes in Cornwall and is believed to be the landing site of St. Piran, dating back to the 6th century. We'll have a look at this later. Also, a restricted military area dating from 1939 called Penhale Camp is found on the northern part of the dunes. Do you come here often? Wow! What a view!
Look, you can see markings on the floor from what people have made.
There's a big kite down there.
Yeah.
But these guys won't be able to hear none of this because it's too windy. Dog ice cream, yeah. We got boots. What's over there? Veterinary clinic. Oh, there's fish and chip shop shut, look. What's this one here? Nothing's open, guys. Because it's winter, all the shops seem to be shut. It's Monday today, and everything's shut. Oh, look at all these shut shops. Oh, this one's. Oh, look at this one, James. Look at these. Look at the dragon. That's cool, isn't it? I like that. Is that cool? What else have they got in here? Oh, look, they've got surf watches, look. See these? Quite nice, isn't it? That one. That's a low chair, mate. Yeah. Low chair. Bloody hell. Look at that one there, look. St Agnes. 235,000 for a derelict house. Derelict cottage. Oh, so bad. It's getting a bit run down, look. That place, all the shops are shut. Well, not all of them, a lot of them. Oh, it's Indian. Oh no, it's Chinese. Oh, Chinese. It's busy. Oh, big waiting area. It's a posh restaurant, isn't it? Oh, that's the Indian in there, look. Oh, I know. No, I'm too posh to go in there, look. What have you found, Ellie? What have you got? What's this? It's an old rubber glove. Funny dog. Ooh, this is very interesting. What's this here then? This is it's on Perranporth Beach. I don't know what this is. What's this? I don't know. Oh, there used to be some... there used to be a walkway up there, look. See that up there? They've had to cut it off for some reason. Well, there's nothing through here. What's in here then? Nothing. Oh, what's in here? Nothing. Oh, this is very interesting. This is interesting. Oh, look at that. There's a little door up there, look. The old footpath used to come down from up there. Used to go up to there, some observatory or something. Oh, cool. This is such a cool beach for exploring. Look at this, it's awesome. There's little caves everywhere. Look, there's a little opening over there. Cool, let's go and have a look. Mind your foot. Whoa! It's a big art. There's that thing I've just come through over there. Danger of falling rocks. I'm not going to stand here much longer. I'm going round this way. It's a proper smuggler's cave, look. It's actually got steps in the rock to climb up. Wicked. Look, and it goes right down up inside. Wow. Just saying how blue the water looks. It's lovely. We've got a blue sky. The sea looks beautiful. Look. This is a wicked beach. I don't do beaches, but I'll do this one. Nice. Oh, it goes up in there, look. Ooh, proper little mine. I think these were actually mine shafts originally, because that looks too square. And apparently they are. Apparently they're old mine shafts. So that's why they're here, because they were mined from the top. And then they came down through the bottom, apparently. Seen that? Look, there's an old mine. There's the old top of the mine shaft. So this was a mine shaft originally, down through here, and obviously over the hundreds of years, it's all washed away. But originally, I guess they'd have mined through there. This would have been one of the mine shafts and going out through. Ah, it's interesting, isn't it? As you can see, this particular cliff was mined to destruction. These are all collapsed mines in here. All old mine shafts. And there's still signs now to tell you to take care. If I do say so myself, I think this is one of the loveliest beaches in Cornwall.